Let's talk about the basics of an appeal today, shall we? Welcome, I am the medical bill whisperer. A previous billing manager turned patient advocate, I am committed to bringing answers, insights, and solutions to patients like you. So what is an appeal and why should you care? Well, let's start with facts. If we take the health plans covered under Obamacare, healthcare.gov, that's less than 50%. About 17% of in-network claims have been denied in 2021, and yet less than 1% have been appealed by either providers or by members. Why is that? Are you, the patient, being billed by something your insurance should have covered and paid? Well, the right to appeal can come in handy if only you know about it. So an appeal can be different things, but first, it is your right. Every explanation of benefit you receive from your insurance showing how a claim was processed will indicate that right and how to file it. So the appeal is your right to disagree with your insurance decision as far as eligibility, coverage of a medical service, or how a claim was paid. It is also your right to request that your insurance do an audit or review of a decision that was adverse on how it covered or paid for a specific medical service. The appeal is your right to request a consideration of a decision based on a number of medical documents, evidence, legal mandates, terms of your policy, and more. And it is also your right to force your insurance to pay, cover, approve, and take responsibility for something that was originally rejected or denied. And yes, it is your right to force your insurance to actually do its job and cover services that you, the member, have paid through premiums. There are many different reasons to appeals. Not every single denied, rejected, underpaid claim or decision can be appealed, but there are many. To name the most common one, not a covered benefit, patient not eligible, the service is experimental or not authorized, missing documentation, not medically necessary. But the problem is, if you or your provider do not appeal, your insurance will never review something that they have done and therefore will never pay it. It's only when they are forced to do so that you can save money. Now let's remember that an appeal and a grievance mean basically the same. Both you and the medical provider have the right to appeal, and appeals can often be successful, but you must follow a formula. What do you want? Asking for an insurance to just review something without grounds is just as good as getting it rejected again. Was a prior approval not applied? Or were benefits denied as not covered? Was there a violation of a state or federal law? Was the medical policy outdated? You explain what you want and why you should receive it. Remember also to keep it precise, keep it concise, and to prove it, you must attach justification and documentation to prove your points. Because you patients have rights, so better use them to your financial benefit. I so thank you for watching. Your likes, comments, subscribes do help grow this channel so that it can reach out to more patients like you. Thank you.